Hey guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best connected home products. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the connected home products in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best connected home products on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Arlo Pro 4. It is simple to understand why Arlo is well liked by people who take home security seriously. Even while the Arlo Pro 4 doesn't have a 4 Kelvin resolution like the more expensive Arlo Ultra and Arlo Ultra 2, the image is still rather remarkable, and most people will find it to be sufficiently detailed. Since the Arlo Pro camera may be connected directly to your Wi-Fi, it is less expensive because a base station is not included. Although it advertises interaction with Alexa and Google Assistant, you need that base station if you want HomeKit functionality. During testing, it captured vivid, accurate video in color both during the day and at night thanks to the built-in illumination, which, like the built-in alarm, works to ward off attackers. Additionally, automated zooming and motion tracking are present, allowing for the detection and subsequent tracking of any activity source. Although you get a 3-month trial, many of its smart features to reduce unwanted alerts require a monthly subscription. Number 9. Ecobee SmartThermostat. The 5th generation Ecobee SmartThermostat has everything we liked about its predecessor, the Ecobee 4, such as Alexa built-in, a slick touchscreen interface, and a remote sensor that helps ensure all the rooms of your house are getting heated or cooled properly. However, the most recent model includes all of Alexa's functions, a better speaker so you can actually use it to play music, and Spotify integration. The battery life and range of the remote sensor are both improved. The Ecobee is a clever way to give a room Alexa without plugging in another smart speaker, but its audio cannot compete with the Echo Dot or other Alexa speakers in terms of quality. The Ecobee is not only one of our pick for the best smart thermostat, but also one of the best smart home gadgets you can buy. Coming at number 8, Philips Hue White A19 Starter Kit. 2 bulbs are included in the Philips Hue White starter package, along with a hub for connecting them to other smart home gadgets. While the colors of these bulbs are fixed, you may add up to 50 of them to a single hub and modify their brightness. Additionally, Philips light bulbs are compatible with many other smart home platforms, such as Alexa, Apple HomeKit, IFTTT, Google Home, and Nest. What's more, Philips Hue lights have an app called Philips Hue Sync that enables users to connect their smart bulbs to multimedia files on their Mac or Windows computer. You could, for instance, program your lights to change color and flash in time with the music, video, and movies that are playing on your computer. The color schemes and themes can also be changed by users to suit their preferences. For $30 more, you can upgrade your starter kit to include 4 bulbs instead of 2. Coming at number 7 of August, Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Our August Smart Lock Pro review didn't really have much room for improvement, but the company went ahead and made some changes to the original to make it more compact and user-friendly. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, which has replaced our previous top pick as one of the finest smart locks, is 45% more small than it was. As a result, it is less noticeable on doors. You may connect your lock to your home network without using the August Connect Bridge because it also features built-in Wi-Fi. Everything about the August Pro that we liked is still present: easy installation, compatibility with all popular smart home systems like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Xfinity, and features like DoorSense. And the August Wi-Fi lets you keep the keys from your existing deadbolt. Number 6. Eufy Video Doorbell 2 Kelvin. The Eufy Video Doorbell 2 Kelvin must be your top choice if you're looking for the best video doorbell, as it finds the ideal mix between cost, dependability, and performance. During testing, it produced crystal clear, finely detailed video both during the day and at night, with a 4:3 aspect ratio so you can nearly completely see whoever is at your door. Best part, due to the ability to store video on the 16 gigabytes of memory included with the base station, it can be used without a subscription. According to Eufy, this covers about 2 weeks. And if you're renting a place and can't remove the old doorbell that's already installed, the battery-powered doorbell is a good option because it operates wirelessly with the aid of a hub that's connected to your router. It works for up to 6 months at a time and can be thrown on any outdoor surface. The doorbell won't work when it needs to be recharged because the battery cannot be changed, and HomeKit is not supported. Coming in at number 5, Wemo WiFi Smart Plug. One of the best smart home gadgets and one of our top pick among the top smart plugs is the $25 Wemo WiFi Smart Plug. Even when compared to its predecessor, the Wemo Mini, it is more compact than alternative solutions. The Wemo WiFi Smart Plug is compatible with all the major smart assistants, despite the fact that it lacks energy monitoring like some other smart plugs. If you don't want to use your voice or an app to turn your appliance on or off, you can click the switch on the Wemo because it has a physical switch. Additionally, it has a clever away mode that uses sporadic lamp lighting to give the impression that someone is home even when they are away. Coming at number 4, Samsung SmartThings. If you have a wide variety of smart home gadgets, you'll need a central system to integrate and control them all. Even though it has flaws, we thought the Samsung SmartThings hub was the finest of the bunch. It can connect to a variety of devices, and now that Wi-Fi is built in, you can place it anywhere in your home for the best connection to all of your smart home devices without having to plug it into your router. You can pair the SmartThings hub with a number of the top smart home products because it has both Zigbee and Z-Wave antennas. You may set up a large number of scenarios and automations with the companion app. It also features a thorough home monitoring feature that can send you an alarm, capture video, turn on lights, play noises, and unlock your doors in an emergency. Number 3, Amazon Echo Studio. For years, we ignored the audio quality of smart speakers because we believed that a speaker could not be both smart and sound good. That was until we found the Amazon Echo Studio. Amazon has created the best smart speaker to date with the Echo Studio. It is a gargantuan speaker that is loaded with smart audio features in addition to smart home and assistant technology. Its 3D audio effects can revitalize your favorite songs when they're at their best, and that's not even mentioning its ability to connect to your Amazon Fire TV devices to provide more immersive sound. The Echo Studio is perfect for a smart home because it also functions as a Zigbee hub and can connect to thousands of smart home gadgets right out of the box. Coming at number 2, Roborock S4 Max. Overall, the Roborock S4 Max is the greatest robot vacuum since it is reasonably priced, has a strong feature set, and effectively cleans your floors. On carpet and hardwood floors, it removed kitty litter with an average efficiency of 94%. Cheerios and dog hair were even more effective. The Roomba S9 Plus, which cost more than twice as much as the S4 Max, and it were virtually tied. The S4 Max mapped our house quickly, and setting up rooms via the app to have the robot vacuum clean certain areas was not too difficult. You can even set specific times to clean rooms. The Roborock S4 Max, an Amazon-only item, occasionally runs out of stock, but it's still worth buying when it is. Number 1, Amazon Echo Dot with Clock. The name says it all. This is an Echo Dot with a clever LED clock built in its face. However, this seemingly simple addition adds a ton of functionality to the Echo Dot, making an even better smart home companion. We actually wish other smart home manufacturers would follow Amazon's lead and make little, yet impactful, improvements to existing top-notch products. However, the Echo Dot with Clock's display is capable of showing you more than simply the time, including the temperature, music names, and solutions to math problems. Additionally, it serves as a timer. It contains a built-in temperature sensor that can activate Alexa routines and an ambient sensor that automatically adjusts the brightness of the display based on the lighting of its surroundings. The absence of the 3.5mm audio out port found on the earlier Amazon Echo Dot with Clock is the only real drawback. But for individuals who want to know the time without having to ask Alexa, we believe the $10 price difference between the Echo Dot and Echo Dot with Clock is worth it. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best connected home products. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.